Hey guys, so in today's video I'm quickly going to show you how to copy message ID on Discord. So let's get started. Open up your Discord, go down here to user settings, and now scroll right here on advanced in your app settings. Press it and make sure developer mode is active. After you have done that, you can go here and find the message that you want the ID from. So when you have found the message, go to the three dots, and now you have this option, copy message ID. It's that simple, guys. And now it's copied. You can just paste it or use it for whatever purpose you need it. Anyhow, guys, I hope this video helped you. If you did, leave a like. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below in the comment section. And if you want more videos just like this, subscribe. Anyhow, guys, have a nice day.